Number 26 is a very practical problem. In 1 year, a $2,000 investment account grew to $2,100. If this investment continues to experience this rate of exponential growth, what will the value of the account be after 1 more year? So the first thing I want to know is what this rate actually is. What is it talking about with this rate? So the rate is a percent, and we know that the value of our investment increased. So I want to know the percent of increase. And the formula for that is always the difference over the original amount. So let's take a look at the difference. The new account has $2,100. The original account had $2,000. So there is a difference of $100. That is the growth. So let me just back this over here a little bit. So we've got $100. The original account had $2,000. So let's take a look here. That's 1/20th. If you divide that on the calculator, 1 divided by 20, you will get 0.5. So the rate is 5%. That's a very good rate for an investment account. So we know the rate. We just need to know how much money will be in there after another year. So I know that I would get 5% of the money in the account. That's what we just found, that rate. So the question becomes, how much money is in the account? Now remember, the original was $2,000, but what was in there after the first year? It's $2,100. That's how interest works. You add the interest you earned, and then you take a percentage of that. That is how interest grows. So we want 5% of 2,100. Of means multiply. And to do this, I actually need the decimal form that we got. So 0.05 times 2,100 is 105. That's interest earned in the second year. But the question is how much money's in the account at the end of the year. So you take the 2,100 plus the 105 that you earned. And so at the end of the second year, that account has grown even more. It has compounded itself to a total of 2,205. So the answer you want is B as in Bravo. That is not an easy question, but it's an important one if you make investments.